My name is Page Provan. I'm the Managing Director of Page Provan Family and Fertility Lawyers. I want to talk to you today about property settlements and how they're resolved, and in particular the 5-step process that the courts use to determine each property settlement matter. Now, of course, many matters don't go to court. Many matters are resolved through negotiations out of court. But in advising you, lawyers will advise you and apply the 5-step process to determine what your entitlement is. So the 5 steps are: first, to determine whether it's just and equitable for an order to be made at all. There are some cases where a court is likely to find that each party should just keep what they've got and that there is no need, or it's not just and equitable for an order to be made. If it is just and equitable for an order to be made, the second step is to work out what is the pool of property that's available for distribution between the parties. In most cases, that's fairly straightforward, but in some cases it becomes very complex, especially where you've got company, trust or tax issues, and often in those cases we need the help of other advisors such as accountants. The next step is to look at contributions. Contributions include not only the financial contributions, but also the non-financial contributions, such as the contributions as homemaker and parent. Now, in weighing up the contributions, certain factors may mean that one party is entitled to more than 50%. For example, if either side has brought in more to the relationship at the beginning, or there might be a gift or a significant inheritance during the relationship. The next step is to look at the future needs factors, and that includes things like who's got the majority of the care of the children, the relative earning capacities of the parties, the age and state of health of each of the parties, whether either party has commenced cohabitation with another person, whether either party is entitled to any government entitlements. And once we've gone through that stage, the final step is to look at the percentage distribution and say, is that a just and equitable outcome? In doing that, the court will usually allocate a certain percentage to each party. So, for example, the court might say that the wife might get X% and the husband is to get Y%. At Page Provan, from the outset, we will advise you what your entitlement is and what the range of entitlements that you are likely to receive might be, and use that as a basis for trying to negotiate a property settlement with the other party or their lawyer.